Hi, I will be introducing the Go Formative Assessment Tool. Formative is a web-based tool that allows instructors to assess student work instantly and provide timely descriptive feedback that helps students correct any misconceptions or difficulties that they may have. Formative allows collaboration and communication in real time and thus allows instructors to adjust content delivery based on the performance of the class. Let's take a look at some of the connections between formative and the learning theories and instructional design principles that we have learned earlier. We can say that this tool employs both the constructivist and the connectivist approaches because the learners can adjust their learning based on the feedback. It can also be connected to the social development theory since it allows students to learn from a more knowledgeable other through online social interaction. Formative also aligns with a number of instructional design principles. The tool is based on the practice principle, since feedback is provided in real time to the students while they practice online. When the students are learning complex concepts, worked examples and pre-training can easily be built into the tool. We can also see the personalization principle in use, since descriptive feedback makes it possible to individualize learning for all the learners. Depending on the types of questions the instructor chooses to give, formative can be used to encourage learning at the application or synthesis level. Learner control is another built-in component. The learner has complete control over the learning both before and after the feedback is given, which makes learning truly constructive. Let's take a look at how to use the tool. Like the name implies, formative is essentially a tool that can be used to provide constructive feedback to learners in real time. The whole idea behind formative is to provide feedback while the students are working so that the feedback can be used to improve performance. In terms of a unit of study, this would mean that you would provide feedback throughout the lessons before the culminating task. At this point, you could still go ahead and provide descriptive feedback, but it will no longer be formative, or in other words, it will no longer be useful for improving performance. Formative can be used to offer pre-training before teaching a complex concept. It can be used to provide work examples or practice questions to students before an assignment, while ensuring continual support and instant feedback. Take a look at the strategies and resources given on the web page below for some tips on how to incorporate formative into your teaching practice.